Heyyyy. Ooh, it hurts. I'm halfway in. It hurts, y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chunky Ray, aka Bree, aka Chunky X Plus on all of my socials. If you're not following me everywhere, do that. Okay, so you saw the title. I've been feeling a little bored. I've been wanting something a little new, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I think I'm gonna do a piercing, because this isn't my first time piercing myself. So if you just want to get straight to the juice, I'm gonna insert a timestamp right there, so you can go straight to me actually doing the piercing. I've had snake bites, I've had spider bites, I've had my Monroe, I've had my septum pierced twice, I've had my nose, like the regular nose piercing, I want to say 3 or 4 times. I've had my tongue pierced, I've had my nips pierced, and I've had my belly button pierced. Of those piercings, I've done pretty much half of them. I pierced my own nose twice. I have it pierced right now. I actually did this maybe a year ago. I did my snake bites and spider bites myself. I pierced my septum myself once, I think. Did I do that? No, I don't think I did that. I think I was scared to do that myself. And I pierced my nips myself, which I still have. I've had those for 2 years. I reject piercings easily. Like, I'm real touchy. Like, I always would, like, you know, when something's new, you just mess with it, you overdo it. This is honestly the longest I done held down some piercings. Like, for my nips, 2 years, that's a long time for me. You're of course not supposed to clean up dirt and stuff with your fingernails because your fingernails are dirty. That doesn't make sense, you know. Don't do that, sis. Don't do that. Be sure that you get sterilized items and surgical steel or stainless steel items. One thing that I've realized is, even though it might be surgical steel, sometimes it's irritating, because I know that honestly with this nose ring, it started to reject and I was getting keloids continuously. I would finally get rid of the keloid, I'll be doing good. A couple days later, it was back. And so I started to think, okay, what if it's the jewelry? And I ordered that jewelry from Amazon, and it said it was surgical steel and everything. But I was like, okay, maybe I need to get something real. So I ended up ordering my nose ring that I have now from a different place. It was a piercing place, and it was a 14 karat gold nose ring, and I have not had a keloid since, have not had infection since. So sometimes it's your jewelry, sometimes it's not you, and you just gotta keep that in mind. If y'all see me randomly clapping at something, that's the mosquito, okay? Well, I'm looking big, come on. See, I decided that I be sitting down too much, and you know, when you sit down, everything get big. I am a big little thing. Hey. I'm gonna show you the little kit that I got. The stuff that I actually bought is for a belly ring. So the actual needles that I bought were 14 gauge needles. The jewelry is 14 gauge. I really wish it was 16. 16 is a little less painful. You know, the bigger the size, the smaller the needle. It make no sense. Now, I hope I'm not recording this for nothing, because I might psych myself, y'all. So don't get it twisted. Just because I done pierced myself 1,000 times don't mean that I'm just jumping in this thing, just jumping in this thing, because I'm not. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm not. Let me change it up and show y'all what I got, okay? So these are the 2 needles that came with my piercing kit. Like I said, it was for a belly button. I mean, a needle is a needle, but it came with a belly button ring, I should say. And you see on the package it says it's sterilized. These are usually one and done. Like, I see no reason to reuse these, and they're so dirt cheap that there's really no reason to do that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, my kit came with 2. I actually think I am gonna pierce my belly button with one of these, and I'm gonna use the other one for my lip. The kit also came with these sterilized clamps. I think it's is that what they're called? Just clamps? Ring pliers. I'm not sure what the hell it's really called, but they look like scissors, but you just squeeze them down and they have this little hole. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what they look like. It came with alcohol pads, which is, you know, pretty damn standard. The kit also came with some black gloves. I also have my own alcohol just in case, 70% isopropyl. Oh, did I say that right? This is a really good product. This is a grail for me. I've been using this for 2 years. I still use this to clean my jewelry. I clean my nose and my nips with this. It's just saline solution. I might go with this one. I think this is the one. Reconsider. Read some litter. The needle is this way. This end, as you can see, is regular. The needle side, it has a curve to it to easily go in. You can usually piggyback your piercing jewelry in this end and pull it all the way through together. That has always been the easiest way for me to do it. I remember in high school, I couldn't change my piercings without leading with another piece of jewelry. Like, I don't know why, but I just couldn't. And so just note that if you do it this way and your jewelry only unscrews one way, you want to make sure it's gonna go the right way, if that makes sense. It makes no sense. I don't know how to say it, but you'll understand. I think I'm just talking because I'm nervous and it's like stalling me out. Let's get it going, like, let's get it going. So I'm gonna just like my fingertips. I'm going to just kind of cleanse this just in case. Wipe it with a little alcohol pad. And do the same thing for the needle. Take the little plastic piece off the end. Ah, boo-boo, y'all. It's my nerves. I'm scared. I want to hold it a little closer. Right there. And then it's gonna come out like right here. I'm scared as fuck, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. All right. Yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it just be the anticipation. Come on. Oh, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
20 minutes later.
Ooh, it hurts. I'm halfway in. It hurts, y'all. Ooh. Damn, shit hurt, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's really the clamp that hurts the most. 10 minutes. It took, no, 12, maybe longer. It took even longer than that. Y'all, piercings ain't no joke. It is really like, it ain't that bad. It don't hurt like right now. You see what I was saying? Like, it kind of just hits right in. So when you pushing it, the jewelry will go, hopefully, easily through. Ooh, it ain't going through easy. Go back. Y'all, this is after your hair. I'm really tired. Come on. Say. Y'all. The jury ain't going. I got attitude. Y'all. The jury is not going in. This is irky. After that effort, bruh. It's like in, but it's like not moving. I'm about to do it again. And if it don't happen this time, I know it's not meant to be. Oh yeah, they're gonna this mosquito because I'm in some type of way. I didn't even get to the mosquito. This might not be my day. That might have been a problem. I should have balanced my chakras. I should have meditated. Alright. That time. Alright. Oh. Yes. We did it. We did it. The biggest one. Oh, I played myself, y'all. I played myself with the jewelry. It's so huge.
It's called congratulations. You played yourself.
But I'm just about to put this thing on here for now. Cause I ain't about to change this right now. As I'm sure you knew.
Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Y'all. It's big. Let me take my hair down. Let me see. Let me see if it's just. It's not giving. It's not giving. Y'all, it's not giving. Y'all. I'm really up here like, okay, what can I do to make myself look better? Yeah, look how big it is from the side. Like, I don't know. Is it just big? Or am I just like not used to it?
That's a huge bitch.
You know, like from the side, I don't think it looks terrible. I think it's kind of sexy from the side. But from the front, it's just gonna have to do what it do for the weekend, for the whole week, matter of fact, because I ain't about to. It wasn't a complete fail, so as long as you got your right jewelry, you'll achieve this. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you got the jewelry you actually want in your face. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go outside. I don't know why I be feeling like going outside makes stuff look better to me. So Pete, I played the hell out of myself with this, baby. I don't know why I thought that this wasn't going to be huge when it's very much so. I'm about to go to TBJ right now and get me something small and dainty because no, I can't walk around like this. My boyfriend saw it. He was like, the fuck? Like, I was like, I'm about to get something small. He was still like, the fuck? So we gonna come back so it's not a whole fail, bro. We gonna give it another shot with small jewelry and we gonna see what it look like. I'm about to put a mask on because I don't want nobody to see this. Okay, y'all, so I'm so childish. So I edited the whole video and realized that the piece where I put this in was completely missing. Like, what the hell? So this is what it looks like with smaller jewelry. I still don't know if I like it or not. It's so childish. After everything I went through, I don't know if I like it or not. I think maybe because I still want something even more small than this. But for the sake of the piercing healing easily and the jewelry not falling into my skin, this is pretty suitable. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you interested in other piercings because I low-key want to do some more. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if it wasn't. Because that'll be so hilarious because I really thought I was doing something. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, follow your girl. I'm coming back with other stuff. You know I'm a crash dummy, and you know you don't know. You about to know that I'm a DIY queen. So let me know what y'all want to see.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with you.
Alright, bro.